What do you think about our service?
Exemplary.
Fantabulous.
One word, very hard for me. I think it looks fantastic.
Fantastic.
Excellent.
Excellent. Thank you. Let me introduce these lovely people. Here you go. This is Ellen, Mary,
Marion.
and they've been coming to the
Diane and
surfing
Marion. Alan and
for
For a long time.
7 years now.
At least. Yes.
Lovely couple here. You and Diane.
Yeah.
That's it. That's
And
it.
Sam been coming to the Surfing Lizard for
About the same time.
about the same
Roughly
time.
the same time.
About 75 years.
75 years. We have this video because I'm gonna building another cafe in Secret Harbor. This lovely customer here will be with me for so long. I would like to keep some memory. So in case in the future I'm so busy somewhere else and I would not have time to see each other very often.
Yes, that's nice.
So that is good memory.
I thought his name was Tommy until you said Tam. You know, I knew the T right. I got the T right.
Tammy Hilfiger.
That is.
Here's some of our cheers
Oh,
here.
look at this.
What do you call this one? This is orange juice for
There you go.
Here.
Oh, look.
Heartbeat juice for everyone too.
Wow.
One is. So we don't have to share anything.
This is absolutely
And here's
And this is my coffee.
secret harbor.
Secret Harbor. Cheers. Oh, here we go. Got food ready.
Beautiful.
Okay, let's cut the eggs.
Smells so nice too, Mary. What are the on the top?
So this is the eggs Benedict. We leave a grilled spinach here, toast, egg, and pop rice. Let's give you a texture, you know, make your mouth feel like exciting to keep continue eating.
Yes.
Okay, look at this. The whole table with eggs Benedict. What do you think about our service?
exemplary. Awesome.
5 out of 5.
Awesome's a good word and appropriate. Fantabulous.
Actually, I think there's a lot. There's a lot here on the plate. One
Yeah.
word, very hard for me. I think it looks fantastic.
Fantastic.
Excellent.
Excellent. Thank you. I'm gonna cut my egg and see if the chef cooked me a perfect breakfast or not. Here you go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at that. One more time. Oh wow. This is the eggs Benedict with some spinach, hash browns, and chorizo. Accompanied with heartbeat juice and a latte. You finished your breakfast?
Yes, we have. It was absolutely beautiful.
Very much.
It
Yeah.
was beautiful. Every last little tiny bit I had. It was wonderful.
No, it was nice.
Yes.
Was nice.
Very tasty and well cooked.
Ellen, you've been quiet for all day.
Dribbling.
Dribbling.
I've been eating. Busy eating, Sam.
And now you finish your food.
I was brought up in a large family, 12 kids. So at the meal table, we weren't allowed to talk while we were eating.
Oh, that's why you focus on
So
eating.
I eat, you can talk after.
Lucky I didn't take you to the barbecue. You never talk, you just eat.
I just eat, yeah.
Did you enjoy your breakfast?
Yeah, beautiful. Sunday morning down here, a family group, and there was probably 15 of us, I suspect. And a beautiful morning like this, so the place was jumping, and all of our meals turned up at exactly the same time, and so everyone got to eat their meal at the same pace, same time. Beautiful. Never forgotten that.
How busy we was?
Busy. It
We're
was very busy.
Yeah.
That was Sunday morning.
Sunday morning.
Yep.
Yeah,
And usually Sunday morning we serve up to 800 people.
I know.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just in 7 hours.
Yeah.
So did you, with them, even though the meal turned up at the exactly same time, did you have much of a waiting period of time?
No.
We didn't care because
No,
we
but
were
I think
chatting. You know.
that might have been giving you the boss.
Absolutely. But to do that at
Yeah.
the same time with so many people here, that is very impressive, isn't it?
It was.
That you weren't waiting.
Yeah.
We will have to come down to visit our daughter in Secret Harbor and make sure that you're behaving yourself down
Why
there. So
not?
we'll keep an eye on you
Why-
from a distance.
Introduce
From
the
a
new
distance.
You don't have to be listening. You get close to me.
We
Hi,
shall
Tim.
come. We shall
Hi,
come down.
Tim.